Hello everyone, how to wash clothes without detergent. The first thing you're going to need are some dirty clothes. I went and rubbed this pair of shorts in the mud just to show you guys that you totally can wash clothes without detergent safely and effectively. The next thing you're going to need is a laundry ball. It does not have to be this brand of laundry ball. You can find various brands on Amazon. Laundry balls work by using ceramic pellets and magnets to boost the water's ability to clean clothes. Here's what a laundry ball will look like. It's designed to beat the dirt out of clothes as it moves around in the washing machine. And there are tiny little pellets inside that, like I said, clean your clothes. Don't ask how, it just works. Once you have your clothes in the washing machine and you've selected your wash cycle, all you have to do now is throw this bad boy in. And that's it. So I'm just sort of showing you guys how the water looks in the middle of a wash cycle. As you can see, the water looks extremely dirty and soiled, and there are particles of dirt in the water, so it is working. There's some kind of residue in the water. I'm not sure if it's dirt or soap or what, but either way, it's all going to be down the drain and not in your clothes anymore. It's recommended that you don't use fabric softener with your laundry ball, but if you do have stains on your clothes, they ask that you pre-treat your stains prior to washing with the laundry ball. Here is the same load of clothes. As you can see, the shorts look super clean, no more mud, no more soiled clothes. They come out fresh and clean and very, very soft, and I find that laundry balls make your clothes last longer because they don't break down the clothes as much as soap would. That is how you wash your clothes without detergent. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe.